In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create presentation on Canva AI. So first head over to Canva AI. Then next is click on the text box. Then select design and presentation. So here you can choose what type of audience you're trying to target in this presentation and also the style you can choose and the length. And now start typing a prompt like this, a modern presentation about climate change with visuals. And you can even be more specific with the design and layout that you want for your presentation. The next is simply click on the submit button. Canva will then generate a full presentation outline with slides, text, and design. Just pick the style you like the best from the options shown. Then next is customize your slides. You can edit the text, swap images, and change colors. And you can also add animations to match your style or brand. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!